Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Saicharam Malayala. Sorry for the delay in the videos. That delay is due to cousin's marriage as well as my semester exams got completed yesterday, that is on 13th December. So if you see here the scrolling, the time of seat acceptance fee has been extended to 12 noon of 14th December. I think this is already completed. 12 o'clock till the afternoon, and the time of query respond has been extended till 5 p.m. of 14th December. So now the time is 4:15. So by the time I post this video, you may have another 10 to 15 minutes. Just log into your dashboard and check whether any query has been raised against your uploaded documents. If there is any query, please try to rectify that query by 5 p.m. today. So if in that case only your seat will be there on your name. Those who completed the document verification already, they need not to do anything, so they just need to complete the online reporting. IIT JEE Mega Combat is on 19 December 11 a.m. for class 11, 12 and 13. 60 minutes, 21 questions, MCQs by top educators. So you'll be getting gold medal, silver medal, bronze medal, and you will also get lucky participants will get chance to win these prizes like MacBook, iPad, Samsung mobile, headphones and Amazon vouchers. You can enroll now for this Mega Combat using the link in the description and my code CharanYT. It's totally a free test. And UCL, this is also one of the test series from Unacademy for JEE preparation. You can win a chance to meet and get inspired by Sachin Tendulkar. This is an aptitude test, kind of mental ability test on December 18, 19 and 26, 1 p.m. onwards. So you can enroll now using the link and my invite code CharanYT. Excellence batch for class 11 JEE Mains and Advanced 2023. These are all the faculty. You can just talk. 15 December is the start date of this batch, and Striker batch for JEE Mains and Advanced 2022. This is also 15th December batch. These are all the faculty in this particular Striker batch. And Rapid Revision 2.4 batch for JEE Mains and Advanced 2022. These are all the faculty in this particular batch. This is also starting from 15th December. If you want to enroll for any of these three batches, all the important links are in the description. And if you subscribe now, you can get 10% flat discount using my code CharanYT on all subscriptions of Unacademy. So talking about online institute reporting, today also I received some calls. Many people got stuck here in the online institute reporting. So guys, those who got the allotment, just go to your website. And I mean, if you got allotted in NIT Calicut, go to NIT Calicut official website and complete the process according to them. If you got NIT Warangal, go to NIT Warangal website and complete the process according to them. They have mentioned each and every step clearly in their website. So you need to just, the process will be different from different institutes. So that time has been extended till 5 p.m. of 15th December. That is tomorrow till 5 p.m. you have the chance. So complete it as soon as possible. This is the last chance for you to complete your admission process here in NITs, IIITs and GFTS. If you miss this chance, your seats will be cancelled. So at the end, if I have to talk about refunds, guys, so I already made a video related to refunds. So only thing is, so during the application of CSAB, you have given your cancelled check or first page of your passbook, right? Those who didn't got the seat, they need not to follow any process. Automatically you will be getting the refund to that particular account which you gave as a account, I mean like cancelled check or passbook account. For that account you will receive the amount soon. We can't say in how many days they will refund you back, but surely you will get the refund there. So don't worry about the refund. Hope you got some information out of this particular video. If you find this is a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And that's it guys. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.